Hello,
Good
Miss.
job.
Hello. Hello, my dear. Oh, hi, hon.
I love it.
Hello, good morning. Have you eaten breakfast, man?
Yes.
Yeah. What did you have for breakfast? Did you eat your breakfast, Min?
Yes. Oh,
I only had coffee this morning, honey. How about you? What did you have?
I have bread,
I had
bread, a
bread.
bread.
Ah, honey, you don't eat rice for breakfast.
Yes,
You don't.
yes.
Why not?
Uh, because tomorrow I'm going to eat cereal.
Cereal. So you usually in the morning, honey, you eat eggs, cereals, and bread. That's what you usually have for
Yes,
breakfast. I see.
yes.
So how was your whole week, Min? How was it? How was your whole week? Like from Monday to
It
Friday, honey. How
was it was terrible.
terrible? Why?
Yes,
Why
we
is
have
it terrible?
a lot of tests.
Oh no! How many tests did you have?
I have five, I think four
Honey,
tests.
when teacher asks you how many tests did you have? So I included did. So for your answer, it happened already, honey. You're going to say had. I had. Say it again
Four
one more time.
tests. I had
Very,
four tests.
very well. That is it. I had 4 tests. That is it. Okay. So yeah, was it hard? English? Did you have English? What else?
No,
English and then
I have literatures.
mm,
The I don't know how to
you don't know how to say it.
say this.
Mm-mm. I see. Okay. Anyway, Amin, are you ready to have our class now? The continuation of our lesson? Yeah, fapluat. That's fapluat. Okay, I'm going to translate that. Let me try translating that one, honey. Fapluat. 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 Vietnamese to English. English translated. Okay. Law. Wow. You study about law and that's really hard. Law is very hard, man. Yeah,
A test of
it's
law.
very hard. That's
Yes,
such a serious subject. It is a serious subject, man. Yeah.
yes.
Okay. Yeah, thank you so much for sharing that to me, man. But you have to remember it happened already, and you don't need
Uh, have.
when the
Use
activity
have.
happened already. You don't use have. You don't say I have
I
4
have.
tests yesterday, but you're going to use what?
I have.
Very good, had. Okay? Again, one more time. Um, what what did you have for dinner last night? What did you have for dinner last night? Can you answer?
I have. I had chicken rice.
Very good. Again, one more time. How many subjects, how many tests did you have last week?
I had four tests last week.
Very good. Remember the had. The past tense of have is had. Okay? All right. Okay, how about this, honey? What did you do this morning? Okay, how are you going to answer that? What did you do this morning? How do you answer that one? I
Ate dinner. Oh no,
very
I
good.
ate breakfast. I ate
Oh,
breakfast.
very good. Great job, honey. Or how about this? How about that? How about this? Teacher's going to ask you. What 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 did you do for your no. This one. What did you do last week?
Mm,
I
I do homework and study
I
for
do?
the test.
I
No,
do?
no, I did.
Yes.
I did homework and
Yes.
study for my test.
Yes, very good. Did, do,
Did.
have, had. Okay? Okay. All right. Teacher's going to translate. teacher's going to teacher's going to share the screen now. Okay, Min? You ready, Min?
Okay.
Okay. All right. So we had this one last time, Min. You remember? Yeah. We had the opinion practice where your answers were all correct. Now we're going to have refuting opinions. What is refuting again, honey? What is refute?
False.
Refute again?
False. In your opinion, it is false.
Yeah, it's false. You mean to say it's wrong. Yeah, you disagree with it. Okay.
Teacher,
Hmm.
can I change my screen?
You want to drink?
Camera.
You want to what?
Change.
Change? Sure.
Change.
Sure. Yeah, of course you can.
I don't know how to change.
Are you using a tablet, honey?
No.
iPad?
Yes.
Really? Oh, I'm using a tablet, honey, but I don't know how to use. I don't know how to change. I don't know how to
Change
change the background.
into change into a bear.
Ah, you want to change the filter.
Yes.
Ah, not the background, but the filter. I see. Min. Mark. I always forget that your name is Mark, not Min.
Mm. Do we have any game?
You can change it. You don't know how to change it.
No. Yes.
You don't know?
Yes.
Easy. Hong knows how to do it. Ask Hong.
Okay.
Yeah, ask him.
But he is studying.
He is what?
Study.
Ah, he's studying. I
He is
see.
study now.
Later, honey, ask him how to do it, or maybe watch him how he does it, honey. He's very good at doing it.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, Min, let's have the refuting opinions now, my dear. Last time we had here number one. Please read number one, Min. You do not.
You do not need to go to school. The information is useless away.
Anyway.
Anyway.
Anyway. Okay, so for the
Anyway.
refuting opinion for that one, honey, that's not. Please read.
That's not true. You need to learn basic skills to repair your life as an adult.
Hmm. Very good. Okay, thank you so much, my dear. Okay, next to that, we have number two. Please read number two, honey. For number two,
School is boring. It is much more fun to play.
okay. And your refuting opinion for that is?
School can be very fun. and exciting. For example, you can go to school to learn how to fly a plane.
Very well. Okay, next, let's have number 3. Please read number 3, honey.
Competition is more important than competition. D.
Cooperation is more important than competition. Okay, what is your refuting opinion? It's
Both are
D.
important. Competition can help us to work harder and be our best.
Very good. Great job, Min. Okay, next we have 4. You must.
You must study the same way as your friends. Uh, there are many different ways to study, and it is
Okay.
important to find the best way for you.
Okay, very good. Okay. Very well. So smart, Min. You're very smart. Okay, we have here the opinion examples, honey. Please read the opinions, honey, and we're going to answer the questions below. Okay, let's have opinion. Okay, teacher's going to read opinion A, and then you're going to read opinion B, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's go. School is no fun. We are forced to go there nearly every day for many years. When we could be outside playing or still in bed, we sit in the classroom and learn. Boring stuff. I know that it's important to learn how to read and write, but that does it really take so long? I also think we learn lots of useless things that aren't practical in our daily lives. Why should I learn about math or history when I will never need to know them? I can hardly wait until high school is over and I can spend my time the way I want. Please have opinion B, honey. Please read opinion B, my dear.
I can want to get there and meet my friends. Open. Uh, open.
My
Open my locker and get my books. Without school, I wouldn't be able to learn so many wonderful things and do so many interesting activities. In my school, I am involved in the chess club, the swim team, and youth and student government. If there were more hours in a day, I would join more clubs and teams. I like school so much that I want to be a teacher. Uh, when I grow up,
ah well, oh yeah. Okay, now honey, let's have this one. Please circle the main idea of each opinion, honey. Now, please have the main idea of opinion A, honey. Please encircle the main idea of the first opinion or opinion A. What is the main idea there? Okay, I'm going to give you time.
oh,
You just encircle it, honey. Okay, honey. While you choose the I mean the main idea, honey, of opinion B, I'm going to go to the toilet first. Okay, wait for me.
okay.
Okay, I'll be back.
What is it? What is it? What is it? À, đó, đây tìm được không? Có cái này đâu luôn nha. Dạ. Có đúng không? Có đúng không? Đi vậy nha. Dạ. Không đúng không? Dạ. Tại vì sáng đúng lên nè. Rồi là mình thấy nha. Thì mẹ mua đấy. Con mà. Cái này không?
Opinion A, honey. Yes, that's right. The main idea of opinion A is school is school is no
It's no
no
fun.
one. Very good. That's right. How about opinion B, honey? Which one is the main idea of opinion B?
Uh, opinion B is uh, the opinion B is every morning I wake up and I am excited about going to school.
Really? Oh, yes, yes. That's it. That's the main idea of the opinion B. Okay, let me put a caption first. Main idea. This one too. Main very good, my dear. Okay, honey, how do you read this one, Min? Min, how do you read this? How do you read this one? This word. Can you read that, please?
Every morning I wake up and I am excited
No, honey,
about going to
just
school.
Min. Just this one, Min. Read this word. Min.
Uh,
Min, this one. How do you read
owl,
this?
owl,
Honey? Yes, that
owl,
one is hours. That's not, it's hours. One more time.
owl,
Hours. Very good. Not hours,
owl.
okay? Not H. Don't include the ha sound, but just hours, okay? All right. So let's have question number 2, honey. Please underline the supporting ideas in each opinion.
Nó thì có tất là người học gì? Ừ. Ngoài nhà học thì tôi
Min,
không có biết rồi.
underline the supporting ideas of each opinion. Okay, let's start first with opinion A. Please underline the supporting idea there. Where do I start? Is it spring? Let's have opinion A first, honey.
Rất
Min,
opinion.
supporting idea, honey. Underline the supporting idea. Do you know what is supporting idea? Supporting. Okay. Underline the supporting idea.
Gạch chân ý tưởng hỗ trợ.
Okay. Can you read it? Can you read it, Tony? Okay, please read the supporting ideas, my dear. Everything's a supporting idea. I see. Okay, very good, honey. Great. You got the whole point. Okay, those are the supporting ideas. Okay. All right. Now, let's have question number 3, honey. What would you say to further support the opinion which you agree, honey? Which opinion would you like to agree, honey? Is it the opinion A or opinion B? Which do you agree more? Min? Min, I can't hear you. Honey, you have to turn on your mic and your camera. Yeah.
Opinion.
Honey, can you turn on your camera, please? Yes. Yeah. And then unmute your mic, honey. All right. Okay, now, which one do you agree more? Is it opinion A or opinion B? Say it. I agree more.
Opinion B.
I agree more
I
on.
agree. Opinion B.
Very good. Now, let's have this. What would you what are you going to say more, honey, about opinion B? Please tell something more about the opinion B. Add something more.
At school, we can learn a lot of activities.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you also feel excited about going to school too, honey. Yes?
Yes.
Yes? Yeah, okay, I
Yes.
see, my dear. So doing school activities is fun. It's what you want to add? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, me too, honey. I basically and I actually agree with opinion B as well. Okay, let's have the discussion questions, my dear. Let's start with question number 1. How would you spend your time if you did not go to school, Min? How would you spend your time if you did not go to school? What are the
On
things that
book.
you're going to do?
Study on book.
Study on books?
Yes.
Okay, how do you say it? I will spend
I
my
will
time.
spend my time on my book.
Okay, on reading
On reading.
my books. How do you say if I did not?
If I did not go to school,
Very good. Okay, again, one more time, honey. How would you spend your time if you did not go to school? Please read your answer.
I will spend my time on reading my book if I did not go to school.
Very good. Okay, question number 2. How would your life be different if you could not read or write?
Um,
How is your life different, honey? If you don't know how to read and to write, honey, how is it different now? Imagine.
cannot do anything.
Okay. You say my life. I could not. You say could not do anything
I cannot
if.
do anything if I could not read and write.
Yeah, read and write. Great job, honey. Are you grateful, man, that you can read and write? Are you happy, thankful, and grateful that you can read and write?
No,
Yes? No? Honey,
no.
are you grateful? Okay, I'm going to translate it, okay? Here. Are you grateful that you you can read and write? Here.
Bạn có biết ơn vì mình có khả năng đọc và viết không?
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Yes, that is it, honey. Why? Why are you grateful that you can read and write?
if I could not, because
Mm-hmm.
I could not do it. If I could not read and write,
Mm-hmm. That is right, honey. That is it. Very good. Yeah, you cannot do anything if you cannot read and write. So if you can, because you can read and write now, you can do a lot of things, many things, right, Min?
yes.
Yeah. Okay. Next to that one, question number 3. What are some valuable things that you learn in school? Or what are some important things that you learn at school, honey?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Learn about subject.
How do you say it in complete sentence?
We can learn subject at school.
Okay, you say the valuable
Valuable. That I can
things.
learn in school is subject.
Yeah, that I learn in school are subjects. One more time, honey. Please read your answer. What are some valuable things that you learn in school? Please read.
The valuable things that I learn in school are subjects.
Very good. Okay, let's have number 4. What would you like to learn about? What would you like to learn about that is different from school subjects, honey? Aside from the school subjects, what would you like to learn more?
Science.
What?
Science.
No, not subject, honey. Okay. Here. I'm going to translate it. Aside from school, what?
Ngoài các môn học ở trường, bạn còn muốn học thêm về lĩnh vực nào khác?
Uh, I want to learn about subject.
Aside, honey. Aside. Different from
Outside,
subject.
I don't know.
You don't know. You don't know anything. Okay, I see, honey. All right, next, let's have number 4. What would you like to learn about that is different? No. 5. Why is it important to get an education? Min, why is it
Yes,
important to get an education?
um, because if you don't learn about education, you could not grow up.
Hmm. Again, honey, if you don't have an education, what will happen to you?
Now not grow your knowledge up.
Hmm. Okay. We will not have knowledge
Yes.
when we grow up. We will not
Yes.
have any knowledge. Knowledge.
Knowledge. When we grow up.
Yes. Very good. Okay. It is important. It is important
Important.
to have
Have
an education
education
because okay,
because
please read this one, honey. Kindly read.
it is important to have an education because if we don't have an education, we will not have any knowledge. And when we
When
grow up,
very good. Great job, honey. Okay, let's read your answers again one more time, honey. Let's start with number 1. How would you like to spend your time if you did not go to school?
I will spend my time on reading my books if I did not go to school.
Okay, 2. How would your life be different if you could not read or write?
I could not do anything if I could not read and write.
Very good. What are some valuable things that you learn in school?
The valuable things that I learned in school are subject.
Very good. Next, why is it important to get an education?
It is important to have an education because if we don't have education, we will not have any knowledge when we grow up.
When we grow up. Okay, so we have here the expression tips, honey. Please read these expression tips here, honey. The polite expressions. Let's have the first one.
As far as I am concerned, as far as I see it, excuse me, may I interrupt? But
Interrupt. May I interrupt?
interrupt.
Yes, very good, honey. Next, let's move forward to the next part of this one. So you have to choose one statement, honey. Please choose one statement, and then you have to let's have a debate, honey, okay? Let's have a debate. You choose one, teacher's going to choose one too. Okay?
One statement debate the statement in groups. One group agree with the statement and the other group disagree with the statement.
Yes.
It's better to be somehow correct.
Yeah.
Comparison that help us solve the work's problems. School is competitive.
Okay. Very good, honey. All right. Which one are you going to choose, honey?
I'm going to choose uh, comparison can help us solve the world's problem.
Very good. Okay. So now, okay. But this one is not true, honey. Okay. I'm just going to disagree with you. Let's have a debate. Okay? All right? Okay. Here, school is too competitive. For me, school is too competitive, honey. So you have to disagree to me, honey. No. Number 1, I'm going to choose it is better to be homeschooled. All right? Disagree, honey. For me, it is better to be homeschooled. What are you going to say about it?
I think comparison can help us solve the world's problem because we can learn more about friends.
Okay, great. That is it. So, for me, honey, it is better to be homeschooled because it's so tiring to be at school. But that's not true, honey, okay? That one is not
Okay.
true. You have to disagree to me, honey. You have to disagree. You have to disagree with what I say.
Bạn phải không đồng ý với những gì tôi nói.
Okay? You have to disagree with everything that I have to say. Okay? You have to say
Yeah.
something when I have to answer what I say. Okay, again, it is better to be homeschooled, Min, because it's so tiring to go to school. How are you going to answer me? Answer
Oh.
me.
I
Fight
think
me.
if, I think we can learn in school to study more about it.
Mhm. But it's more relaxing. We can relax when we study at home.
But at school we have some activities often to do.
But at school, but at home, we can do these activities too. Like we can do homeworks too. We can do a lot of things. You.
At school you can cooperation and can help us solve the world's problems.
Very good. But we can also ask help from our parents when we are when we are at home. You.
But if we don't have friends to help, we cannot do anything.
Yes. But you know what? We can also study in the internet. We can use the Google. We can use the Chat GPT. We can use the Gemini. You.
But it is not good for our our study because just like a teacher give you homework and then you just ask the ChatGPT for do for you, but you don't understand anything to do. Just like
Okay,
that.
okay. Okay, now you say something about the cooperation, honey, and I'm going to disagree with you. Let's have a debate. Okay. Say something
Uh,
about cooperation.
Cooperation can help us solve the world's problems.
But for me, it's okay if I do the activities alone. I think I can solve my own problem. You.
But if you do mistake, but you don't know where's your mistake, you cannot solve it.
Mhm. But I think I cannot, I think it's okay if I cannot ask for help. I can do it by myself by googling everything, by searching everything from Google. You.
But you can learn more for your friends. Don't need to go on Google.
Hmm? But what if your friends doesn't want to help you?
No, cooperation is helping.
Really? But what if no one wants to cooperate? You?
So you need to cooperate all in one and then solve work's problem.
Mm. Okay. Very good, honey. That is debating, honey. Okay. Do you like the debating, honey? Did you like it?
Yes.
Yes, that's really right. Okay. And we have more of that next time, my dear. But we don't have enough time already, Min. Thank you so much, Min, for your time. You did so well. Bye bye, Min.
Goodbye, teacher.